Using all this helps YouTube recommend your video more to viewers watching your videos. And you have to think about, for every video there is always going to be returning viewers and new viewers. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maimuna, popularly known as Black Arab. Today's video we're going to be talking about how to put end screen and card in your video. And what is end screen and what is card? End screen is when towards the end of your video you are putting videos that you want your viewers to watch. So it's like you're recommending it to, oh, you're done with this, I have this. That is end screen. So YouTube allows that it to be towards the end of a video. I'm going to put a detailed tutorial on how to do that. And cards is when, while watching your video, something pops up while the viewers are watching your video, and it's like a pointer to let your audience know that this video is also on your channel and they can also watch it if they are done. Or as a content creator, you can just say, okay, I also have this particular video. Maybe it's a video that elaborates on the point you are giving. You can just put it at that particular point, and viewers watching your video can note the video down and go and watch it when they are done, or they can watch it immediately they tap on the pointer to go and watch. So it's like a pointer to direct your viewers to watch your videos. And using all this helps YouTube recommend your video more to viewers watching your videos. And you have to think about, for every video there is always going to be returning viewers and new viewers. That's new audience. So that new audience is like new eyes for your video. So you have to think about that, because it really helps, and it helps push your video more. So without further ado, let's go into our YouTube Studio desktop to see how you can do that. So the first thing you need to do is go to the video you want to add the cards, or whatever you need to add, the cards and the end screen. You tap on this details. Okay, so then you go to editor, and then you see trim to cut, blur, audio, end screen, info cards, and then your ads. So let's go to end screen. This is how you add end screen. Go to this plus button, you tap on it, then you see apply template, tap on it. So you can choose from here any of these templates available. You can choose this or this. So let's choose this. So this part, this first one, I see this part will take one video, this will take your subscription, and this. So you tap on one of it. When you tap on it, it will show you most recent upload or best for viewers. That's you telling YouTube to pick anyone, right, that suits the viewers. But you can choose. So just tap on choose specific video, and it will take you to all the videos you have. So let's say you want to pick how much YouTube pay me as a small YouTuber. It will be here. Can you see? So this place will be for your subscribe Black Arab. Like I said, like that's where your picture is going to be at. So the next thing to pick is, you can pick your playlist. So it can be let's talk YouTube, your vlogs, watch on my video. I think watch on my video is perfect, and you can decide to save it. So it will be like this. If you tap on it now, this is what it's going to show at that point of the video. This will start showing on the screen. So if they are done, they can just tap on this and decide to want to watch it. And the next thing to do is go to your info cards. You tap on it. You see video, you see playlist, you see channel, you see link. So you can put any one of it. Let's put for video, and you can put as much cards as you want. So first card can be every small YouTuber needs to watch. Then you can move. You see this line here, this line, you can move it to the next point you want your card to show, and then you pick another one. You can go to video, playlist. Let's choose playlist for this. It will be let's talk YouTube. You move it to another point, tap on this part, go to video, and then maybe put one of my vlogs, right? So these are the cards: 1, 2, 3. So this is how it's going to look like on the screen. It's going to be at this point. Can you see? Yeah. So anyone watching it can just tap on it and decide to watch your video. So it is very good because it helps YouTube recommend your videos to your viewers. Don't forget to save. You have to click on save. This is very important. So now that we are done with that, I really do hope you incorporate that. And I will not even lie, it's not something I do often, but recently I found out that it is really, 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 really helpful, because if you are a content creator and you are looking at your videos, if you are watching your videos by the sideline, you notice that if you usually put end screen or cards, mostly end screen, you see that YouTube is putting those videos down for you to watch. That's you as an audience. The more I do that, the more YouTube will recommend most of my videos to the new eyes watching it. Do you get what I'm saying? So it helps, because if you have a viral video and you put your end screen and your tags, you can also get all those videos going higher, because viewers are likely to tap on it and go and watch it, than you not putting it at all. They will not even know you have something like that, and they might be searching for it on another channel, because most people, if they don't know you, they are new viewers, they just watch the video and they go. But if they see all those, they'll be like, oh, she has something like this, let me go and watch it. I hope this helps, and I hope we are able to incorporate that in a subsequent upload. And I'm also talking to myself, because it's not something I often do, but I do it. But I've noticed that it does help, and I think it's never, I think I am going to continue doing it, even if sometimes I forget. Sometimes I end up doing it, right? But I forget sometimes, and I'm like, you need to go and do this. So I do it because it helps. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching to this point of the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Hit the subscribe, you can see that as I'm saying subscribe to my channel, you see that the subscribe button is glowing. It is I bet with you it is doing that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, go and watch it. You see that it will do. Like, share, turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.